There are many problems that 507 and 427 welders can't solve, like air bubbles. Surface defects can be solved by technique. So, the causes of air bubbles. We need to eliminate one by one to solve congested air bubbles. For electric welders, it is very crucial. Once there are congested air bubbles, your entire work will need to be cut again. Restart. Repairs are tough. So, congested air bubbles are mainly caused by hydrogen and nitrogen. The most common are nitrogen bubbles. In this video, we solve the issue of nitrogen bubbles. Every welder knows that 507 or 427 welding rods should slide and undulate during welding because the welding rod itself, at the start, the iron core is exposed to the outside. In the beginning, easily form air bubbles. In fact, this point is not the main reason for sliding and undulation. We can throw the bubbles into the welding seam. Then after by welding, we can melt it out. Another very crucial point is that sliding and undulation can increase the temperature of the wood, increase the temperature of the welding rod, and the temperature of the molten pool. Once the molten pool is opened, our welding rod fully burns. Full burning is the iron core, and the drug skin fully burned. The iron core acts as a filler metal. Then the drug skin is to insulate the air's hydrogen and nitrogen, forms a shield under the molten pool, preventing these gases from entering into the welding seam. To make the welding rod stable burning, the drug skin stable burning, to form a stable shield. Only then can this problem be solved. When we select the current, it must be in the range you can control. Select the maximum current. We selected the 91 current for welding, and let's see the protective effect of the drug skin after the welding rod fully burns. Slide and undulate to make the welding rod burn stably. After forming the molten pool, it is in a state of stable burning. We will melt out the air bubbles in the previous welding seam completely to ensure stable burning. Short and low arc voltage is also the most critical. No air bubbles on the surface. Once our arc is stable burning, there will be no air bubbles inside. The learned daddies who understand light and collect, I will share welding skills every day.